Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every.
Hi beautiful people, it's your girl Carol NG here again, and welcome back to this amazing channel. I hope your Christmas holidays taking you well. Yeah, on this specific morning I want us to pack. I will be going to the village and I don't want to leave my house in a disorderly way. So we are going to be just organizing the house, packing, and just doing everything that someone needs to do when you are traveling. So stick around and make sure you enjoy this vlog. It's an early morning. I think it was around 4, and I wanted to leave the house by 7. That's why I just woke up very early, because the previous night I was not able to do anything because I had gotten out from work just feeling very tired. So we are going to prepare together, so make sure you stick around.
All I wanted was you. Christmas cheer and drinks with friends we haven't seen for a while, since I've been to that little town called home.
So this was the initial condition of my house. Everything was everywhere, and as earlier mentioned, I was not able to do anything the previous night. So we are going to be folding clothes together because I have a lot of unfolded clothes. I'm also going to be clearing up the shoe space at the door and many more things. So make sure you stick around, enjoy this vlog, and make sure every time that you're leaving the house to travel, you leave it in the right state.
You walk through those doors for Christmas, you're all I want.
Kindly forgive my lighting because my bulb is too bright. That's why you can see some reflection at the center. But we'll just have to do this way because if I use the ring light, then it could be worse. So just take it as it is. Apologies for that.
All I wanted was you. Now he's sleeping. All I wanted was you. Feel my heart melt. All I wanted was you.
I don't know how you leave your house while you're traveling, but I personally like leaving mine well, very neat. So that is going to give me an easy time when I come back, because I usually come feeling very exhausted.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's float for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
Later, I just collected my pegs when I was done, and I took the clothes to their rightful place in their respective wardrobes. Then I just went on to do something else. I realized that that sweater was not having buttons and I really needed it in the village. That's why I had bought it. I wanted to leave it there so that every time I'm going to the village, I don't have to keep carrying heavy sweaters for my daughter. So I had to fix up this very quickly before moving on to just wipe my shoes.
Oh, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
Allow me to take this chance to just welcome all my new subscribers of the week. Karibu sana, I'm very grateful. Actually, I'm very grateful for helping me get to 400 subscribers. I'm really hoping to get to 500 soon. So if you took part in this, I'm very grateful and may God bless you. Special thanks to my Premier Gang for always appearing, for always sacrificing their time to just come and support me during the premieres and in all my videos. May God bless you. May God bless your channels.
Down wherever you're with me.
By the way, don't get confused. I'm not going to be spending my Christmas in the village. I will be coming back. I just decided to just go over the weekend and say hi to my mom, because I just decided to spend my Christmas in Nairobi as I try to fix up some few issues.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets.
After finishing up to pack the clothes that we were carrying, I just decided to wipe the shoes that were dirty, because they were just making the door area just look very bad. And I didn't want to come back and start by wiping shoes, maybe just cleaning clothes and etc. So I just decided to wipe them and leave them to dry up while I was away. This is one of my worst house chores. I don't like wiping shoes or even cleaning them. And for that reason, I think that's why there were many at the door area. But anyway, who wants to come back and find dirty shoes in the house? I just had to do it. And yeah.
Of the sky, we are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
I specifically think this was one of the busiest mornings for me. I later on went to clean utensils, but I think I was supposed to do this at night. But hey, I think I have said in previous videos, I don't know how to force myself to do anything. If it means resting for me, if I'm very tired, I just go and rest with no guilt feelings, by the way. So just clean them up, then I'll prepare our breakfast.
From town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's float for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom,
In case you have watched this video up to this point, I'm very grateful. May God bless you for supporting my channel, for liking my content. Make sure you leave a beautiful comment at the end.
I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And then we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you.
I also gave my cooker some thorough cleaning, not thorough as per se, but I just cleaned the burner areas very thoroughly, because they had some sticky parts on them of some tea. And I said I don't want to invite cockroaches again to my house. That's why I just decided to clean every part of this kitchen, which I felt needed a clean. I did most of the things behind camera, so you have to bear with that. That's why I didn't record them, because time was also moving quite fast.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking.
Later on, I just went ahead to clean my living room floors because it had some tiny particles that were irritating to the legs. So yeah, this is me just trying to just clear up this space before my baby wakes up.
Take your soul.
Didn't show you most of the part, us taking tea and everything, but here we are fully prepared to leave. Thank you guys for watching. I'm very grateful for your support. Bye bye. Let me see you in the next one.